Welcome to Grow Your Wealth. Today we are talking about groceries, one of the biggest and most overlooked drains on your monthly budget. The average household spends between 10 and 15% of their income on food. That is often more than they invest. In this video I am giving you the exact strategies used by smart shoppers in the USA, UK, Canada, Australia, and India, strategies that can cut your grocery bill by 20 to 40% without eating worse. Let us get into it. First, why does your grocery bill keep growing? 3 reasons. 1. You shop without a list, which research consistently shows increases spending by up to 23%. 2. You buy branded products when store brand equivalents are made in the same factory. 3. You shop hungry, which is the single most expensive habit in personal finance. The average person spends 17% more when shopping hungry. These 3 mistakes cost the average household over $1,200, 950 pounds, or 1 lakh rupees every year. Let us fix all 3 today. Let us start with the United States. The average American household spends around $475 per month on groceries. Here is how to cut it. First, use cashback apps. Ibotta, Checkout 51, and Fetch Rewards give you real cash back on grocery purchases, not points, actual dollars. Stack these with store loyalty cards for double savings. Second, buy store brand. At stores like Aldi, Trader Joe's, and Costco, store brand products cost 20 to 40% less than name brands and consistently pass blind taste tests. Third, use SNAP if you qualify. Over 20 million eligible households in the USA are not claiming SNAP benefits they are entitled to. Fourth, shop at Aldi first. Aldi's prices run 30 to 40% below traditional supermarkets on core items. In the United Kingdom, the average household spends around £65 per week on groceries. Here is how to reduce it. First, switch to Aldi or Lidl if you have not already. Aldi and Lidl are on average 30% cheaper than Tesco, Sainsbury's, and Asda on comparable items. Second, use the Trolley app or MySupermarket to compare prices across stores before you shop. Third, use Lidl Plus and Nectar loyalty cards. These are free and give genuine discounts every week. Fourth, check the yellow sticker reduced section. Most UK supermarkets reduce perishables between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. Shopping at this time can save you 50 to 75% on fresh items. Fifth, plan meals weekly. The average UK household wastes £60 of food per month, £720 per year, food that was bought and never eaten. In Canada, the average family of 4 spends approximately $1,200 Canadian dollars per month on groceries, one of the highest in the G7 relative to income. Here is how to bring it down. First, use the Flipp app to browse all local flyers and find the best prices this week before you step inside a store. Second, shop at No Frills, Food Basics, or Freshco for everyday items. These discount chains consistently run 20 to 30% cheaper than Loblaws, Metro, or Sobeys. Third, use the PC Optimum loyalty program. PC Optimum points from Loblaws, No Frills, and shoppers can give you significant discounts over time if redeemed strategically. Fourth, buy in bulk at Costco for items you use constantly, paper products, cooking oils, frozen protein. The per unit cost at Costco is typically 35 to 50% lower. In Australia, the average household spends around $200 Australian dollars per week on groceries. Here are the most effective strategies. First, shop at Aldi Australia. Aldi runs 20 to 30% cheaper than Coles and Woolworths on most items. Their house brand products are widely regarded as equal or better quality. Second, use the Woolworths and Coles loyalty apps. Everyday rewards from Woolworths and Flybuys from Coles both offer genuine weekly specials not available elsewhere. Third, buy the weekly half-price specials strategically. Both Coles and Woolworths rotate 50% off specials on specific categories each week, match your shopping list to these cycles and save significantly. Fourth, check fruit and vegetable markets over supermarkets for fresh produce. Local markets typically run 30 to 40% cheaper than Coles and Woolworths on fresh fruit and vegetables. In India, the average urban household spends between 5,000 and 10,000 rupees per month on groceries depending on the city. Here is how to spend significantly less. First, use BigBasket, Zepto, or Blinkit and compare prices before purchasing. Online grocery platforms regularly offer 10 to 20% cashback through UPI payments and app-specific offers. Second, buy from Kirana stores and local sabzi mandis for fresh produce. Local markets run 30 to 50% cheaper than supermarkets for vegetables, dal, and rice. Third, use CRED, Grow, or PhonePe cashback offers when paying for groceries online. Fourth, buy pulses, rice, and cooking oil in bulk, 10 kg or 25 kg packs, from wholesale suppliers. The per kilogram price drops by 15 to 25%. Fifth, use the Meesho or JioMart platforms for pantry staples. They frequently offer prices below traditional retail channels. Now let us talk about universal strategies that work in every country regardless of where you live. Strategy 1, Meal Planning. Write down what you will eat for the next 7 days before you shop. Then write only what you need for those meals. This single habit reduces the average grocery bill by 20 to 25% by eliminating impulse purchases and food waste. Strategy 2, buy frozen. Frozen vegetables, frozen fruit, and frozen protein retain almost all their nutritional value and cost 30 to 50% less than fresh equivalents. Frozen spinach, frozen peas, and frozen fish fillets are nutritionally identical to fresh, often better because they are frozen at peak ripeness. Strategy 3, the 24-hour rule. Never buy a non-essential item on your first visit. Add it to a list and return the next day. Most impulse items never make the return trip. Here is a side-by-side comparison of the biggest saving strategies across all 5 countries. In the USA, switch to Aldi and use Ibotta, saves up to 40%. In the UK, switch to Lidl and shop the yellow sticker section, saves up to 35%. In Canada, use Flipp app and shop at No Frills, saves up to 30%. In Australia, switch to Aldi Australia and match the weekly half-price specials, saves up to 35%. In India, combine online cashback apps with local mandi shopping, saves up to 40%. All 5 countries have one thing in common: the savings are available, they are real, and they require zero lifestyle sacrifice. You eat the same food. You just pay significantly less for it. 3 mistakes to avoid that quietly inflate every grocery bill. Mistake 1, buying pre-cut or pre-packaged convenience versions. Pre-cut carrots cost 3 times more than whole carrots. Pre-marinated chicken costs twice the price of plain chicken. Buy whole, prepare at home, save up to 60% on those items. Mistake 2, ignoring unit prices. The large pack is almost always cheaper per unit, but not always. Always check the shelf label for the price per 100 grams or per liter. Sometimes the medium size is better value than both the large and small. Mistake 3, shopping too frequently. Every extra trip to the supermarket costs you money, fuel or time, and more impulse purchases. Plan 1 or 2 shopping trips per week maximum and stick to the list. Here is your action plan. This week, write a meal plan for 7 days before you shop. Download one cashback or savings app in your country: Ibotta in the USA, Lidl Plus in the UK, Flipp in Canada, Everyday Rewards in Australia, or BigBasket in India. This month, switch at least 30% of your regular shopping to the discount supermarket in your area: Aldi, Lidl, No Frills, Aldi Australia, or your local Kirana market. Buy your most used pantry items in bulk. Go through your last grocery receipt and identify 3 things you paid full price for that were available cheaper elsewhere. Small changes to your grocery habits compound just like investing. Start this week. Thank you for watching Grow Your Wealth. Subscribe for daily money strategies covering all 5 countries.